When I first started, I definitely wasn't in that paradigm of restfulness. There was no such thing as like weekends. Every day is like Monday. It was so bad to the point where like friends who had left the country to study would come back and visit and be like, oh, Huron, let's go have dinner. And then I'm like, oh no, I'm busy, I just wore this badge of busyness on which now I just really disagree with.
So Huron, you yourself, you're an entrepreneur and a marketing and growth strategist whose work has generated hundreds of millions of dollars for both your clients and your own business. He runs an e-commerce company which serves thousands of customers in over 77 countries. Today, they have hundreds and thousands of followers, millions of views on YouTube, and a higher sales volume than all their competitors combined.
Hi, I'm Huron, and I'm on a mission to inspire and reshape beliefs so that people can escape their doom loops and reach a high level of truth, freedom, purpose, and meaning.
How do you get to something that is restful, and what is restfulness?
So I see time as this thing which keeps sliding forward. You just have to keep paying for whatever you put on this conveyor belt. And if you have nothing there at the end of the conveyor belt, when it comes time to pay, you're going to pay for nothing. Rather than say, I keep churning out a lot of things, I never really know what works, but it makes me feel busy. There's this thing called problem founder fit. So problem founder fit is where you care so much about an industry and about a problem and about a whole thing, and then you start to form your own opinions about it. It's the opposite of burnout, right? If burnout is, I put in 5x effort, I get back 1x. This is, I put in 1x effort, I get back 5x.
As entrepreneurs ourselves, as business owners ourselves, how do we sit back and think about the things that matters?